coffee table and a picnic bench.
No
In the yard.
Ow. Oh, God.
Beautiful.
It's too tall. Is there hardware on the bottom of these?
They're all rusty. Yeah, we can get it. We're not taking this apart right now. But I think you might have to just chill in the back.
What? How am I gonna chill in the back?
Yes, it did. Now we have more room to kind of like finagle and leave this dangling halfway out the back. And then you'll have to chill right here. Just barely, bro.
How? Hey, this one came off real easy.
Geoprism with over one.
Well, you can do school or you can do drugs, but you really can't do both.
Since that one isn't leaking and this one is.
Got it. Unless you want to weld them both.
I could weld them both.
What do you think?
Well,
It would be best to be able to remove your mufflers.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like this is probably the longest I'd want an exhaust piece for me taking it on and off the car.
Okay, that's fine. I'll do that. That's... A little bit though, they think.
It's the Toyota Corolla Silver Anniversary Extra Value Package.
With odorless paint thinner. Shake off the excess and just beat the devil out of it. That's really the most fun part of it.